Where do pirates like to eat? Their food. Where do pirates like to go to eat?
I'm trying to think about pirate things.
Alright.
Their ship.
Nope. Arby's.
That's a good one.
That's a good one. Do you know what a pirate's favorite letter is?
R.
That's what people think, but they really prefer the C.
Oh my gosh.
Ah!
There's no C.
Oh, there's C, yeah.
I had to think about that one.
Hey kiddos, today let's talk about toolboxes. If you're going to get started, if you haven't purchased any tools before, you're just getting launched into life, or you're still living at home and you kind of want to get prepared for this, what I've got here is a basic toolbox, and I like to ask the question, what's in your toolbox? Okay, that was a joke. Anyway, basic toolbox, it's made of plastic, kind of like a fishing tackle box. They're not real expensive. It is a great way to get started. Just open it up here and I'll show you. These are basically what I've got in here are the essentials, what you're going to want to work towards for your starter toolbox kit, and you can buy what's in here in whatever order that you want. That's not important, maybe in the order that you need things. So this toolbox, like a lot, has a top tray. And what I've got in the top tray is my safety gloves. I got a pair of glasses because I can't see anymore, I'm getting old. And I got my safety glasses in here. I've got my earplugs in here. I've got some basic drill bits and stuff. I'll show you that in a minute. And I've got a small level. They make levels in all sizes. To get started, a small one is just fine. If it's level, it's level. And your phone has a level on it too, so you may be able to avoid that if you learn how to use that. But I'm old and I haven't figured out how to use a level on my phone yet. Maybe you guys can send me a video of how to use the level on my phone. Anyway, and then what do I have in here? Just the basics, the starter stuff that's real important. You're going to need a hammer. There are tons of hammers. I got 3 or 4 of them that do different things. But this is just a basic hammer with a claw on it to remove nails and hit things with. It's a good thing. Another thing that's going to be real important you'll find is using a tape measure. You need a basic tape measure. They come in all sizes and different lengths and stuff, but just a tape measure. I've got drill bits in here, and the most expensive purchase that you'll have in your basic tool kit that I think is important. So if you can, pick up a cordless drill. They come in all types of qualities. I like Milwaukee because I use them professionally, but I would not say you need a Milwaukee drill if you're getting started. Ryobi's real popular. They're a pretty good brand for just home use and getting yourself off the ground. You might need a flashlight. Everybody uses their phone nowadays for a flashlight. I still like having a good flashlight that I can stand up and I can aim at whatever I'm working on and kind of keep my hands free. But again, you got your phone, works good. That's good too. Okay, so now basic hand tools. Let me get this stuff out of the way. Screwdrivers. Always need screwdrivers. The number 2 Phillips, which we'll talk more about later, is the most popular. I like to have one of each sizes. You can buy a screwdriver kit that's not real expensive, but if you're just getting one, just getting started, get a number 2 Phillips. But there's 3, kind of small, medium, and large. I've got the same thing going with flat screwdrivers. I've got small, medium, and large. And again, a screwdriver kit that has all these in it, probably a good way to go. Screwdrivers break, they wear out, good thing to have. An adjustable wrench, often called to as a crescent wrench. This is actually Crescent brand, but a crescent wrench that you can adjust. Just one of those is good. This is an 8-inch. Side cutting pliers, these are kind of worn, but they still work great for cutting wires and any small things. We'll talk more about that in another video. These are called channel locks or adjustable pliers. If you're working on stuff, you got to grab stuff once in a while, and these do the trick, and they adjust big and small. So I'd recommend those. And a pair of needle nose pliers. I like calling them noodle nose pliers. You know, hey. having a pair of needle nose pliers, and that's pretty much it. That's all I got in there. And this is just your basic work around the house, do most any task. It's just easy, and this will cover, I don't know, 90% or more of what you're going to do just around the house for daily repairs and fixes and upgrades and whatever you're doing. So that is a great place to start, and that's what's in my to-go toolbox. Okay guys, I hope you have a great day, and we will talk more soon. Take care.